Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the fog light bulbs on a 6th generation Toyota Camry. That covers a 2007 to 2011 Camry. Should be the same on almost all the models or maybe some slight variations. This should help you get the job done. The bulbs that you need for this job are H11s. I bought Sylvania brand bulbs, but you can use your own preferred brand. As long as they're H11 bulbs, you're fine. Take whatever side you're going to change the bulb on and turn your wheel the opposite direction. So for example, this is the left side, so I've got the wheels turned all the way to the right. And you'll see right here there's a plastic rivet. It's got a slot in it like it takes a screwdriver, but it doesn't really unscrew. I'm not sure why they put a slot in it. But what you will need is either a trim tool to remove that or a slotted screwdriver. And just be real careful not to slip and scratch your paint. But you're going to get right up underneath the edge of it and pull it out like that. And then you can just pull it out and remove it. It takes a little bit of pushing and prying, but you're gonna get up underneath this fender skirt. So if you can get your finger behind it, either up here or down here, you're just gonna work it down underneath here and then pry it open like so. To see the fog light bulb, that's it right there with the blue here, right there. So to get it out, hopefully you can see this. You turn it counterclockwise, a quarter turn, and then you can pull it out. There's a thumb button right there that you can push, and you push that and then you can separate the plug from the bulb like so. So there's your plug right there, and now I've got the bulb out. Now when you're handling the new bulbs, make sure that you have gloves on. You don't want to accidentally touch the glass on the bulb, because the oil in your skin will cause the bulb to prematurely burn out. So you want to keep your skin off of the glass envelope. If you've got vinyl gloves on, especially as long as you haven't touched anything oily, it's okay to touch it. If you do accidentally touch it with your skin, then just take a soft rag, clean rag with rubbing alcohol and rub the whole thing off, and then it'll be fine. Okay, so I've got my new bulb. I'm not sure how much of this you're going to be able to see. I got to have both hands. I can't hold the camera. This part of the plug that's got the thumb release, goes on the back side of the bulb where the logo and the bulb number is. And then you just make sure that that's clipped on there. Make sure that that plug snaps on all the way. And then again, I'm hoping you can see that. Put the bulb in the hole, make sure that you get that bulb flange all the way seated up in there like that, and you'll feel it snap in, and then turn it a quarter of a turn and it'll lock in, and then just make sure it's in place. Then all we have to do is put the fender skirt back. You want to make sure that it's tucked under from the top of the air dam down. So again, you got to kind of push and pry. May have to pull the air dam out. There, get all of that tucked back up in there like that all the way around. And then just take your rivet. You may have to push the air dam in a bit to line it up. Line it up and then pop it in there, and it'll kind of snap in. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole sequence on the passenger side, but I am going to show you this part. The windshield washer fluid reservoir is right there. So the fog light fixture is up here in front of it, so you do have to reach around it a touch to get to it. It's not quite as easy to get to as the driver's side, but you can get to it easy enough. Once you get this skirt out of there, you can reach around it. You just kind of have to be able to do it one-handed. Thanks for watching, folks. Please give me a like below hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you would. If you're here specifically for the Camry video, I've got a whole series of Camry maintenance videos. Check some of them out. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you back soon. God bless you.